This drill is transition inside-outside crossover. Sa drill na to mga ka-bowlers ay i-enhance natin yung transition nyo. So you have to do inside-outside. Kailangan yung paa kasama. So right, left, then crossover. Kailangan long din yung inside-outside nyo or yung in and out ninyo, then crossover. Tapos sa finish, bahala na kayo kung anong finish yung gusto nyo. So ang need natin elaborate dito is yung inside-outside crossover, then finish. This drill is transition push cross. So yung drill na to is maganda lalong-lalo na pag downhill or mabilisan laro. So you have to do push cross. Hindi pwede pag nag-push cross kayo mga ka-bowlers is naka-place yung kamay nyo under the basketball. At the same time, para maging effective yung push cross nyo, kailangan isipin nyo na pupunta kayo sa left, pero that is a fake pala na pupunta kayo sa right side. This drill is transition super crossover. So, sa super crossover natin mga ka-bowlers, dapat gumagana pati yung paa natin, no? So, kung napansin nyo dyan, pagka crossover natin, yung paa natin dapat kasabay na pupunta sa left side, no? So, kailangan mapaniwala nyo yung kalaban nyo na pupunta kayo sa left, pero pupunta pala kayo sa right. So, that's how to be effective, lalo na sa push super cross. Kasi nga, kailangan mapaniwala natin sila pupunta tayo sa left, pero right pala. This drill is transition, stop and go, no? So, madali lang to mga ka-bowlers, no? So, you have to do full speed, then stop, then go. Para makita ng kalaban na kala nila, i-stop ka, pero hindi nila alam, sineset up mo lang sila para makapag-go ka ng dire-diretso. So, stop and go. So, magandang move to, lalo na pag transition. Kasi pag bumagal ka, babagal din yung kalaban. This drill is shooting form middle. So sa drill na to mga ka-bowlers is in-enhance natin yung shooting form natin. At the same time, this is good for warm up. This drill is top of the arc of the pass, one step footwork. So sa drill na to mga ka-bowlers, in-enhance natin yung footwork ninyo kapag shoot, lalo na pag off the catch. So first, left foot nasa likod, and then after naman yan, right foot naman yung nasa likod. Then you have to step, one step, then shoot. This drill is delay between to pull up. Yung drill na to mga ka-bowlers is good lalo na if you want to shoot from your defender. So ang gagawin mo is you have to delay the between. Kailangan pag delay between mo, isipin mo na atake ka talaga. So once na nasell mo na yung move, hindi ka pala drive, that's ay set up lang pala to make a pull-up jumper. So delay between, then shoot. So notice nyo yung pa dito, between, then toe tap, then shoot. This drill is fake jab, one dribble between, then pull up. So sa drill na to mga ka-bowlers, ang gagawin natin is cross step, no? Pag sa left side tayo pupunta, yung right foot natin yung gagalaw, no? So pagka step natin, nakita nyo yung pag-change ng footwork and then pag-change ng direction, no? So ganun siya gawin mga ka-bowlers, no? Pag between natin, papunta na tayo sa may right side, no? Ikakambyo na natin, then one dribble again, then pull up, no? This drill will be effective lalong-lalo na pag in-game kasi nga mag-change tayo bigla ng direction using between the legs. This drill is figure of B plus behind the back pass. So you have to do figure of B first, then behind the back, tapos sa last, no? One arm lang to lahat. This drill is pocket pass. So you have to pocket pass, then catch it with both arms. So dapat yung pocket pass nyo malakas. At the same time, you have to use your one arm lang dapat, no? This drill is over the head pass. Kailangan yung mga pasa mo dito dapat sharp, ibig sabihin malakas. This drill is single arm bounce pass. So pocket pass pa rin siya pero this time is pa-bounce pass naman siya dapat. At the same time, kailangan malalakas yung pasa mo dito. You have to practice left and right passes para masanay na kayo na pumasa ng isang kamay.